Bitcoin millionaire with just one Bitcoin. Is this even possible? You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Most with Rodrigo Arnedo here. And today we are echoing a video from Chico Crypto when he's telling us what is going to be like having one Bitcoin in the future. Maybe you can be a millionaire with just one Bitcoin. Well, I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below to the whole video if you wanna watch it. But I have a sum up here with ChatGPT, and the idea is that you have out there some experts. They believe Bitcoin is going to get to a new top at a certain point, at a certain price, so we can calculate with that if we can be millionaires with just one Bitcoin or not. Chico Crypto's idea, for example, he believes that between October, December 2025, we might have that top price for Bitcoin would be around 113,500. So you'll need close to 9 Bitcoin in order to be a millionaire. But according to CryptoCon, you might be you might need 7.69 Bitcoin to be a millionaire, because the top for Bitcoin would be 130,000 in this cycle. For Titan of Crypto with 190,000 for the top, you'll only need 5.26 Bitcoin. And for Bob Lucas, he doesn't specifically tell us a price for the top, but between 100,000 and 300,000, that's average 225,000. Well, you'll only need 4.44 Bitcoin. But there are other experts out there. They believe Bitcoin is going to be around $500,000. Then you'll only need to own 2 Bitcoin. And Michael Saylor, he believes Bitcoin price is going to be around $350,000. So you'll need 2.86 Bitcoin. Any case, he believes that we might be ending these cycles of 4 years, that we are in a mega trend right now, and we might have a bull run till 2034. So at that point, maybe you just need just one Bitcoin in order to be a millionaire. Bitcoin 1 million possible in opinion of Michael Saylor, because we are in that gold rush. And he also points in that conversation that at some point in the future, you'll see that all the Bitcoin are going to be mined. We have this halving calendar. The next date for the halving is 2028. Just 1.5 Bitcoin every 10 minutes will go to the market. And then 2032, just 0.7, 2036, 0.3. So the last Bitcoin is going to last 100 years in order to be mined. So that's why Michael Saylor believes that Bitcoin might go to $1 million. We'll see about that, and let's see about the time right now, the time frame of the daily, and you see that we are doing some action in the lateral, so quite boring right now. But you need to consider that we believe we are doing something similar to the last halving period of time, and that was 90 days of boring time for Bitcoin. So maybe, yeah, we're still up for some boring action. And here you can see that if we do things similar to the last halving with this V recovery, it was something like that in the past, but adjusting it, well, you can see that we might be in a boring time till around July. So yeah, it's going to be like that, but we can learn about so many things in our way, and we can accumulate some of that Bitcoin that we might need in order to become a millionaire in the future. Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. I have no idea whatsoever what's going to happen with Bitcoin. But in the daily, we are still praying to bounce in the line that we have there. I had to turn it into a wicks, not wicks, but body of the candles line, because if not, it's lost already. So all our hopes of this price action for Bitcoin finding here a bounce point. If not, remember, We told you about this line of support around 59 right now, maybe. Also, we had this parallel channel here with TradingView. We talk about 50,000, we talk about 54, and how Bitcoin might never go down from this line. We'll see about that. And also, previous videos, watch them all, that we might need to go down 8% comparing with previous situations, and that's precisely $54,000. So maybe that's something we need to do. But Matthew Hyland telling us here that consolidation in an uptrend favors a continuation of the uptrend. So maybe just a healthy continuation. A lot of this has to do with dollar going up. That's why we are going down mostly. And we have this information from Watcher Guru. Fed officials said keeping interest rates where they are for longer than the public expects is much more likely than raising rates. And that's why we are waiting to see what happens with the market. Stock market in Asia today going down. We'll see United States. Disney this week going 10% down. This seems like crypto world. Here you have the Disney chart, and you can see this red candle, not good for Disney and this kind of companies. What do you think with this all AI and all the advancements we have in technology? Do you think things like Walt Disney, all those Hollywood also companies, Netflix, etc., those are going to succeed in the future? I don't think so. We'll see about that. And very interesting also about the stock market here from Eric Balchunas, that two ETFs of uranium, those are in the top of the clean energy ETFs. That would be crazy 5 years ago, and now they are 30x since then. So you have here some green investing for realists. Maybe nuclear is the future of green energy. We told you we have agenda out there against Bitcoin. We have so many enemies. Watch the last video. We told you everything about that. And you can see a strange move today. Grayscale just withdraw the ETF solicitude for futures on Ethereum. That was a situation similar to what happened with Bitcoin. First, we had these asks for the SEC and all those regulators, but now they are withdrawing this. So maybe some conspiracy theories out there, maybe Gary Gensler and the SEC, they talked with them and said, listen, you can't do this because this and that. Is there some kind of plot with this, or they are just not interested anymore? Strange things out there. And you can see, as we told you, that SEC is going after everybody, and this is giving fear, uncertainty, and doubt in so many companies. Now, local Monero exchange shut down as crypto privacy service dwindle. The idea again is that probably they are scared because of Gary Gensler and all this campaign against some companies. Gary Gensler getting anchored, being asked about crypto. He said, this is a very small part, small piece of our overall markets, and he's exhausted. We don't like you, Gary Gensler. You don't like crypto? Then you shouldn't be responsible of that. Of course, that's what Congressman Tom Emmer is saying. He's calling out Gary Gensler for his egregious attempts to expand the SEC's authority and his clear bias toward digital assets ecosystem. So no good, Gary Gensler. We dislike you. We need another representative there. Donald Trump presidential election win will be positive for Bitcoin and crypto, says Standard Chartered Bank. Okay, let's do this. The idea, I don't care about politics, but I would love to have a removal on the responsible people that we have there and the SEC. Good for the market to have probably younger people that understand the market that we are in right now. Remember that US government, they are telling you whatever they want. They are going after Bitcoin, after these companies, but they hold, US government holds 212,847 Bitcoin as of April 2024. And more good news, let's just turn things Just remember that most bears still fail to realize that Bitcoin always follows the liquidity. There are billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin liquidations above us, and we are going to take them all out. That says Crypto Rover. Titan of Crypto believes that this bounce in the EMA 20 was okay in the weekly. Maybe so. Here we have it, and you can see that sometimes it's a good point for a bounce. Okay, good. And Crypto Robert had a bad time because he said, we're going to have a massive crash. No one understood this was a joke because you have to turn your cell phone upside down. He believes that it's okay. We are just finding support in the parabola right now. We'll see about that. And Trader Trading Rate telling us that in the 3-day chart, you can see that Bitcoin is pumping every 4 months. So right now, we might need to have again till June, July to have the next leg. This chart is awesome. 4 months between each pump. And Willie Woo telling us that never has there been such a buying spree by high net worth Bitcoin holders has happened in the last 2 months with Bitcoin ranging between 60 and 70K. These are the guys holding between 100 and 1,000 Bitcoin, roughly 6.5 million to 65 million of Bitcoin. So whales are buying. Why are they? For example, here, 438 billion asset manager Susquehanna disclosed 1.3 billion Bitcoin ETF portfolio, and consider that Bitcoin held on exchanges is hitting an all-time low. So the supply shortage is incoming. Hopefully so. The development in countries like Canada, where they are just taking away liberties to everybody, freedom is gonna be out of Canada, but they have Lightning Network now working in their first ATM operator. So congratulations for that, and sorry about your freedoms with your actual government. Canada, that I believe, is an experiment for the rest of the world, so beware everybody. Any case, Bitcoin transactions fees back to normal. The run fast, it's over. You can learn everything about runs in our dedicated video that we did like a couple of weeks ago. There you have it. Watch it if you wanna know. And talking about Bitcoin, you see this guy with 60,000 people around him in university. He talked about Bitcoin and he was booed for good.
I see Bitcoin as a very misunderstood asset class.
Boo! So yeah, you can see how the masses are
No government can print more.
against improvement, and he kept on talking about Bitcoin. So congratulations on him. This is the kind of thing that we need to talk about. I don't understand Bitcoin, but you're wrong about it. This is our friends right now. This is all this crowd, these 60,000 people booing. But we know how masses work, and we know we need patience to tell everybody about Bitcoin. Because, yeah, those masses right now, they are booing, but in the future they will say, I told you, I knew. Yeah, I didn't say you were wrong. I said you were right. Okay, that will happen eventually. And maybe this speech is going to age like fine wine, as someone said on Twitter. Also, good news, FTX creditors set forecast windfall beyond 100% of claims. It seems that you need to wait more, but if you had some money on FTX, you're going to have your money back. That will be okay. It's going to be in fiat. And also, again, you still need some time, but good news for you. Once more, be careful, beware of scammers out there that are going to take your passwords, etc. So just wait till this is official and you have your money back. The market fighting for the green again. Ethereum, we are in the hope that we don't lose the $3,000 line. We'll see about that. And we're still being greedy in the market, even though the bubbles are also in the red. And I want to tell you about some homework you have to do over over the reality. Did you watch our dedicated videos, the recent ones? In one, I told you everything about how to make money mapping the world with this application that I love. And also, we went outside. You can make some fun of me watching this video, and you learn how to make money with over the reality. Map the world in 3D. This is awesome. Today, I want to tell you about this instant app, a revolutionary leap in augmented reality experiences. So consider just using a QR, and yeah, you don't need to download any app. You just scan it and you are good to go. Consider all the applications that you can have with this. And also, if you already watched the videos, remember that we have this mapper challenge, and this is monthly. We have April's second over X mapper channel winners. So just check it, because there's a pool of 5,000 OVR tokens, and you need to check if you won. If we were here to the list, you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people from Spain. So yeah, maybe they are riders. Maybe you watch these videos, and because of this, you have this prize. Well, send me some of this OVR. I didn't want. Thank you very much. And then remember that you have to tell about this to the regulators in Spain. With coin tracking, you can track all this. These are our partners. Thank you very much. And you have a 10% discount. Thank you very much also for this, if you need to use coin tracking in a paid version. So go there, use coin tracking. Thank you very much. We are right now with one of these surveys, very interesting one. We want to know about the market conditions in Spain, particularly. So if you want to help us, click in the description below in the link, or go to Twitter where you'll find this tweet. And it's just 3 questions, very simple, and you'll help us understand what you like the most, so we can give you more of what you like. Maybe you are exhausted already, like this cat. I understand, but be careful, where do you sleep? Also, maybe you are thinking about some trouble in your life. Well, maybe the idea will help you. A flower does not think of competing to the flowers next to it. It just blooms. So just bloom and forget about what you have here and there. And if you are sleepy, it's okay. This is a lot of information today, so you need to process it. So yeah, have a little nap out there, but do not get too comfy like this cat, because you will eventually get fat. That's unhealthy. Be careful out there. Do not be again too comfy. I love massages. I know you do, but you also need to keep on learning. Go to the beach there with your book or your cell phone, and there you can just like these cats keep on learning about AI with our channel AI News, and about crypto news with CryptoNews with Rodrigo Arnedo. Fun on the ride, health, money, love, pouring in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!